Understanding the menstrual cycle. Role of hormones. 1. The menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a complex process that occurs in females of reproductive age. It involves the cyclical changes in the uterus and ovaries, preparing the body for a potential pregnancy. The cycle typically lasts about 28 days, although it can vary from person to person. 2. Hormones involved. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating and orchestrating the menstrual cycle. 3 key hormones are primarily involved: estrogen, progesterone, and luteinizing hormone, LH. 3. Estrogen. During the menstrual cycle, estrogen levels rise, stimulating the growth and thickening of the uterine lining, endometrium. It also promotes the development and maturation of the egg-containing follicles in the ovaries. 4. Progesterone. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle forms a structure called the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone. Progesterone prepares the uterus for potential pregnancy by further thickening the endometrium and creating a receptive environment for embryo implantation. 5. Luteinizing hormone, LH. LH plays a crucial role in triggering ovulation, which is the release of a mature egg from the ovary. It stimulates the final maturation of the egg, leading to its release into the fallopian tube. 6. Phases of the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle consists of several phases, each characterized by specific hormonal changes and events. Menstrual phase. This phase marks the beginning of the cycle when the uterine lining sheds, resulting in menstrual bleeding. Follicular phase. In this phase, the follicles in the ovaries develop and mature under the influence of estrogen. One dominant follicle eventually releases an egg. Ovulation. Ovulation occurs when the mature egg is released from the ovary into the fallopian tube, ready for potential fertilization. Luteal phase. After ovulation, the corpus luteum forms and produces progesterone. If pregnancy does not occur, progesterone levels decrease, leading to the shedding of the uterine lining and the start of a new menstrual cycle. Importance of testosterone in both genders. 1. Role of testosterone in males. Testosterone is primarily known as the male sex hormone, and it plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of male reproductive tissues and characteristics. Here are some key aspects. Sexual development. During fetal development, testosterone promotes the formation of male reproductive organs, such as the testes and prostate gland. It also contributes to the development of secondary sexual characteristics, including facial and body hair growth, deepening of the voice, and increased muscle mass. Sperm production. Testosterone is essential for the production and maturation of sperm cells in the testes. It supports the proper functioning of the male reproductive system and fertility. Libido and sexual function. Testosterone influences sexual desire, libido, and plays a role in erectile function and overall sexual health in males. Bone density and muscle mass. Testosterone contributes to the maintenance of bone density and the growth and development of lean muscle mass in males. 2. Role of testosterone in females. While testosterone is typically present at lower levels in females compared to males, it still plays an important role in female physiology. Here are some key aspects. Sexual desire. Testosterone contributes to sexual desire and libido in females. Although estrogen is the primary female sex hormone, testosterone also influences sexual function and satisfaction. Bone health. Testosterone supports bone health in both males and females. Adequate levels of testosterone help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Muscle strength. Testosterone contributes to muscle strength and the development of lean muscle mass in females. It plays a role in physical performance and overall muscular function. Mood and well-being. Testosterone may have an impact on mood regulation and overall sense of well-being in females. Hormonal changes and aging. Menopause and andropause. 1. Menopause. Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It typically occurs between the ages of 45 and 55, but the timing can vary for each individual. During menopause, the ovaries gradually produce less estrogen and progesterone, leading to several hormonal and physical changes. Here are some key aspects. Hormonal changes. The decline in estrogen and progesterone levels during menopause can lead to various symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, vaginal dryness, mood swings, and changes in menstrual patterns. These hormonal changes can also impact bone density, cardiovascular health, and overall well-being. Psychological and emotional effects. Menopause can be accompanied by emotional changes, including mood swings, irritability, and feelings of anxiety or depression. Hormonal fluctuations may contribute to these psychological symptoms. Long-term health considerations. Postmenopausal women are at increased risk for certain health conditions, including osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive changes. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, and lifestyle modifications can help manage these risks and promote overall health. 2. Andropause. Andropause, also known as male menopause or late-onset hypogonadism, refers to age-related hormonal changes in men. Unlike menopause, which involves a significant decline in hormone levels, the changes in androgen, e.g., testosterone, levels in men are more gradual. Here are some key aspects. Testosterone decline. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decrease. This decline may result in symptoms such as decreased libido, fatigue, mood changes, reduced muscle mass, and diminished cognitive function. However, not all men experience these symptoms, and the decline in testosterone varies among individuals. Sexual and reproductive changes. Lower testosterone levels can contribute to changes in sexual function, including decreased sexual desire and erectile dysfunction. Andropause does not lead to complete infertility, but it can affect fertility to some extent. General well-being. The decline in testosterone can also impact energy levels, sleep quality, muscle strength, and overall well-being in men. Addressing lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, and stress management can help mitigate these effects.